The road back out here onto the Alviso Slough trail here. Alviso is down that way. Haven't been out here for about a month. I think I came out right before Christmas, and then we had a bunch of rainstorms through early January. Let the mud or dirt dry out here. Yeah, the trail's in pretty good shape except for the first mile or so out from the Marina. It's pretty chewed up there with all the people either walking or trying to ride bikes in the mud. It's just really choppy because now all those footprints and bike tracks and everything are all hard with the hardened mud. But yeah, out here you get out on the north side of the trail and it's fairly smooth. So I don't know if they're getting ready to do some more work down there. When I rode out, they had put a heavy coat of gravel over the pavers that they have right from the main facility there out to the trail gate. So that probably says they're going to start hauling dirt again, because that would be for all the truck traffic so they don't chew up the pavers. And they were also putting in looked like some fence poles. So they might be getting ready to close the trail again. Yeah, I'll have to check out if they update the web page with any information. The last I saw, they said something about weekdays that they would be maybe doing some work out here. Yeah, I'll have to keep an eye on the trail status down there, maybe check it in a week, see what the story is. So yeah, I think I'll go down here and then cross over onto the Don Edwards side, do the Mallard Slough trail and out. The other thing is down this way to what's called the San Tomas Aquino Creek Trail. That trail is closed around Levi Stadium for the next couple of weeks. Okay, the other day I rode out to the Alviso Marina County Park. The trails appeared to be open. I didn't see anything at the Don Edwards Visitor Center, although the gate on the road was still closed when I rode out. Not sure what's up with that. It's been closed every time I've ridden out the last couple of months. I mentioned that the San Tomas Aquino Creek Trail has been closed for a while in preparation for the Super Bowl. Here's their detour sign. We're right there, and it's closed on the other side of Tasman. As they say pedestrian, you can go down Great America Parkway, and for bicycles you normally go this way, but that's closed because Stars and Stripes is also closed. Yeah, so you go down here and then you come up this way, and that's closed as well, so you have to go up. Well, actually, yeah, Lafayette, you don't hit the creek trail until you get up to the Bay Trail. So yeah, the bike detour is pretty long. They say 2/8, although I heard someplace they said maybe through the 10th, because they've got to tear everything down too. So it's closed for a while. So on a bike, you have to go down here. This is Agnew, and then you take a left on Lafayette, and you'll ride Lafayette up until you hit Highway 237. And at that point, you can hook up with the Bay Trail. Yeah, the other option you have, I did this last week, is you can come down here, Mission, come across here, ride around Mission College, and then you can hook up with the Calabasas Creek Trail and take that up to the Bay Trail. It's a little bit of dirt and mud, but yeah, that's San Tomas Aquino Creek Trail, so it's closed for the next week and maybe 8, 9, 10 days until they get it all opened up. Hopefully it'll be open by the end of the following week. Yeah, that's kind of a pain because with the Super Bowl, they close everything down. So anyway, just thought I'd show you that. So yeah, if you're riding down here, plan accordingly. Yeah, I'm going to avoid this place for the next 10 days or so. You don't want to be anywhere close to here. It gets pretty crazy. So anyway, hope you found that helpful. As always, thanks for watching.